Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your love and support. And if you're new on my channel, I say a big welcome, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you another style of braiding a toddler's hair using a coily extension. Some people call it passion hair. It's an extension. You can get it on Amazon, and I'm using my normal jam to part the hair to make sure that the parting is neat and well parted. So we're familiar with the knot and knotless braid, but I am gonna be twirling the hair around the root of my toddler's hair because her scalp is very fragile, so having to do this knotless braid, or sometimes knot braid, could be kind of too harsh on her scalp. So what I'm gonna do today is just to twirl, like slightly twirl it around the roots of her hair. Okay, so I'm just combing the hair to make sure that there are no lumps, and that is the passion coily hair. I don't know. And I'll be using. I already cut it to the size I want, and I just did it like the normal, as if you want to braid the hair. So I just twirl it around the hair, and I divided it into 3, and I started to braid. So I'm gonna be braiding this until it gets to the length of her hair, and I'm gonna be knotting it after I braid it past her hair. So alright, I hope you understand the video. If there is any part you don't understand, you can just leave or ask your question on the comment section, and I'll be glad to reply. So I just braided her hair past the length of her hair, and I just knotted it once. Just once is okay, because the hair it's coily, so it has the ability to just retain that knot very at that point. So see, while you're making this hair, you want to make sure that your hand is not too tight, because it's a toddler, so that your toddler will not be so uncomfortable. You don't want to make it too tight. You can see my toddler is smiling. She's enjoying the braiding. Is not tight at all. So alright, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up or leave me a comment in the comment section. Alright, thank you so much, and I wish you a wonderful and lovely Merry Christmas.